Alright, so if you are selling some things, some products on Amazon, then you're an Amazon seller. But when you go outside to any shop or any mall to buy something, to purchase some stuff for your house, then you're a buyer. And I always say that if you wanted to be a good customer, then you need to analyze yourself as a good buyer and what things that buyer wants, that a buyer think that a seller should have. For example, if you go to the market to purchase some stuff and you're finding that product into the market, so you always wanted to find some good product in lesser price, or you always go for a deal. For example, if you are purchasing a bowl for $25, then you see another discount offer that if you purchase two bowls, then that company or that shop will give you for $40. So you think for a while that if I purchase one for $25, so logically the price of two will be $50. But if I purchase two for now, then I can get up to $10 discount. So psychologically, you will be attracted toward that deal and you will purchase that. So in that way, every customer want offers, deals, vouchers or coupons for some products so they can buy. So if a seller is not having some vouchers, coupons or deals on that product, then chances of conversion, chances of getting purchased will be low. No matter if that buyer increase their sales price and then put some deals, so logically the selling price and the profit will be same, but that listing, that product or that deals make that product more attractive. So more and more buyers can attract it toward that deal and make more purchases. So the same thing happens to Amazon. We are having some options for deals, for coupons, for vouchers and some promotions. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing with you a 7 days deal and a lightning deals. And I'm going to be showing you that how those deals can help you get more and more traffic and more sales. And I also show you step by step that how you can set up those deals on your Amazon product. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as I have explained you about some deals, so first of all let's see that how these deals can be usable by other buyers, and if you are a customer and you go to Amazon to buy some deals, are you attractive towards those deals or not? So for that you have to go on Google and type Amazon Go Box Deal, and then you have to click on the first link. So when you open that link, you'll be able to see the Amazon opens a page where you can find all the products that are having deals today or that are having deals for next 7 days. So you can see that these are the Amazon listing. They are having some reviews, they are having selling price, they are having title. But when you see that these products are having some tags, you can see that this is an Amazon choice tag. This is a Amazon bestseller tag. And when we go down, we can see that this is a tag saying that save 21%. And when we go down, so we can see multiple tags. So these are the tags that attracts customer to your listing with a reason to purchase more, to purchase with discount, and they are telling your customer that this product is best selling, this product is not best selling, this product is Amazon choice. So these tags can help you a lot to generate more traffic to your listing and to make more purchases. For example, if I go up and on the left side I click on today's deals. So this is a section on Amazon website on which all the products that are having deals that are enrolled in the deals, so you can see all those products here. So you can see that on every product there is a tag saying that limited time deals, limited time deal, limited time deal. So you can see that these are all the products having the tags. You can see that the rightmost product I can see here, the Bluetooth speaker. So you can see that this product is having 3 tags. Number 1 is limited time deals. Number 2 is the price was $45 before, but right now if you purchase, you can get it for $31.44. So that is something attractable. So customer can see that if the normal price is different and if I purchase it right now, so I can get a discounted price. So that's a very good sign. So these are the coupons or these are the tags that helps you to get more and more traffic. And the last tag is save 5% off. So tell me that you can see that these two listings, one listing is for portable pillbox and second listing is for Bluetooth speaker. So which listing is looking more attractive? Obviously the second one, because it is having some tags. So you can see that this is a page that is particularly for all those products that are having deals right now. But let me show you that how these tags helps you to generate more and more traffic. So for example, this is a product. The name of this product is cookie boxes for gift giving pastry. So I can go on Amazon and type for cookies boxes for gift giving pastries. So when I search for this keyword, so you can see that I can find many listings for this keyword, but this listing is outstanding. You can see that this listing is standing out because of this limited time deals coupon. So you can see that this is a maroon color sharp coupon that that is a scroll stopping thing for a customer. So whenever a customer is here on Amazon to buy cookie boxes, and when he types for that particular keyword and then suddenly he scroll down, so he can find this listing very attractive. Like before, this listing was selling for 16.99 and right now it is selling for 11.89. So the psychology says that buy this product. So he will click on this product and purchase that. So I personally experience a good amount of increase in my sales whenever I enroll in any deal. So these deals are very great for you, and if you can see that any festival is coming like Easter, Christmas, Halloween or a Prime Day, so you must have to enroll your product in those deals so you can get more and more sales. So I have explained you that how these deals are helpful for you. Now I'm going to show you that how you can set up these deals on your products. So for that you have to go to your Seller Central and then you need to navigate to the top bar from advertising, and then you can see that there are deals. So you have to click on that deals button. By the way, you can see that there are other buttons too, like vouchers, Prime exclusive discounts, managed promotion. So I have some separate videos on my channel on each of these promotions. So you can just go to my channel and watch those videos as well, or you can find the link of those videos in the description. So you will be able to know that how you can utilize these features as well to increase your sales. But now we are focusing on deals. So let's click on the deals. And when you click on the deals, you can see that boost your sales with the deals. And you can see a button below, create a new deal. So when you click on a create a new deal, so you will be able to see three buttons here. Number one is any deal type. Number two is 7 days deal. Number three is lightning deals. So there are basically two types of deals. 7-day deal that will last for 7 days and then after 7 days it will be vanished. And the second deal is lightning deals, which I just show you on Amazon. So if you click on lightning deals, so you will be able to know that among all of your product, which product are eligible right now for the lightning deals. And same goes for the 7 days deal. So if you click on 7 days deals, so you can see that these are the products below that are eligible for me to enroll. So let's suppose if I want to enroll this product in 7 days deals, so I just have to click on select from the right, and then I have to select the dates. Like as I said, the 7-day deal is for 7 days. So if I wanted this, so if I want this deal to be active from April 11 to April 17, then I have to click on this one. And I can see a fee here. The fee to enroll in this deal is £50 because I'm selling in UK. If you are selling in USA, so you will be able to see this fee in dollars. So after selecting the dates, we can just click on continue to next step. And then from here we can just read the details like the date from which this deal will be active, the fee and the tag. And if you wanted to change some detail here, so you can change here. Otherwise, you can just click on submit deal, and after pressing that button of submitting deal, your deal will be submitted, and after 2-3 hours, Amazon will start showing your product in that deal section. So this is how super cool and super important for your product to get enrolled in some deals, to get more and more visibility in the algorithm of Amazon, and to get more and more traffic and to get more and more sales. And this is how you can just easily enroll your product in some deals like 7 days deal or lightning deals. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and you will surely gonna try your products into some deals so you can get more sales and more revenue. So if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe my channel, because I always try to bring you some videos, some good videos that helps you to increase your e-commerce revenue and e-commerce sale. And if you wanted to ask some question about this video or any other topic related to Amazon or e-commerce, so you can just ask me in the comment box below, or you can just schedule a call with me from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.